Hey guys, welcome to Tech is Guru. Today I'll be learning how to log out of Temu, and now let's dive right in. Now to log out of your Temu account, first open up the Temu app on your phone. And after opening your Temu app, guys, on this interface at the bottom of the screen, you can see a bunch of options available for us. Tap on the U button at the bottom middle of the screen, and you land on this interface where you can see the settings option available for us at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the settings button at the top right corner, and when we land over here, you can see the sign out button available for us at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the sign out button, and if you want the Temu app to remember your login credentials, tap on the remember, but if not, tap on the not now, and then you'll be signed out of your Temu account on the Temu app momentarily. And there guys, this is how to log out of your Temu account on your Temu app on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.